everybody, good morning. Well, right now it's morning. I don't know what time you're going to see the video or from where you're watching. This is another example of the violets that I uploaded. This is another plant which is not violet, but the flower is much bigger. These are not violets. The leaves are shiny. It's a no. These are totally different. I think I know the name, but I forget. They crawl almost like the phlox plant, so they cover the ground. Look at that. They're huge. They're big. They're not huge, but they're bigger comparing to the violet herb. So I had to come again in this trail. I love to walk here, but I don't come every day. I change once in a while because I walk my dog, and if you have a husky, you have to walk him no matter what. He needs the exercise. Yes, they need the exercise. If possible, they need to walk 2 to 3 times a day, like a lot. I usually walk him 2 hours the first walk, and then the second walk will be a shorter because I have things to do. It's hard. I do have people that could walk him, but they're lazy. Anyways, we're not talking about dogs. I came back to check out the ferns. There's ferns growing, and there's some cool flowers that I found the other day, just 2 days ago. And also there was a lot of violets in that area too, where I was walking. So I wanted to show you all the flowers I found, which was cool. I love those flowers. One is the white color and the other one's yellow color. I just had a couple of pictures from my son's phone because I forgot my phone. I left my phone. And how am I going to cross here? It's so much water everywhere. So I need to cross here. There's a wood there. So I'm going to cross and jump. There we go. That way I don't get wet with my shoes. So now we're on the trail again. And this is the river, which is not a clean river. Anyways, I'll pause. I don't want the video to be too long. It has been raining a lot all these weeks. And the water is dark. And also the river is full. Okay, so we are going through the bushes. There's a walkway, so people come here. I'm not going to go too far. Oh, I don't see it anymore. Oh, I think I passed it. This flower, look guys. This plant, the leaves is kind of darkish, brownish. And look at the flower. Look at this. See that? And they're hanging down. Isn't that beautiful? Like inside nature, you have so many flowers. They're very pretty. I like them. I wish I can get the seed, but I'm not sure if it's a good idea, if it's a weed or what it is, because so far I see, look at all that. I think it's the same plants, and it seems to be a weed. So I want to prevent those kind of plants. Look, there's many here. Look at that. There's so many here. It's so beautiful. Do you see what I'm talking about? You know the downfall about this puppy? He pulls a lot. There's some African violets here. The flower is totally small. You can see my finger. See? It's a small flower. The violets are small. There's lots of types of flowers. Look at those tiny little white flowers. My dog is so impatient. And of course the river is right here and it's so dirty. It's so dark, the water. I'm looking for the ferns, the wild ferns. There's a couple of ferns right there. There's quite a few there. I can dig them out, but I wanted like the ferns that are just coming out though, so I can do something, some fruit or something. So apparently they grow in under the trees, shadows, you know. There's a lot of violets here inside here. It is not over to pick violets. It's not over yet. I hope you're enjoying the walk with me because I don't know if you guys are interested in these kind of walks. My dog just goes crazy trying to smell everywhere. There's several ferns here. I don't know if I should even bother getting them because they're already opened. And I brought my little shovel. There's more African violets here. They're really small, like you saw my finger. I put my finger there to show you how small they really are. Okay, I'm gonna grab one of these so I can plant it in one of my pots. I'm going to just put my bag one side and just kind of clean around it. I brought my little tiny shovel. Call me crazy. I brought a tiny shovel. There's another one right there. I tried to find I'm surprised. Oh, wow. This shovel's no good. Wow, it's already bent. I didn't want to dirty my fingers. It bends easy. I guess it's a bad idea. You should be helping me making this hole instead of smelling, just sniffing around. Hey, you're no help. There we go. We got one out. Now I want to take this little one. Stop bugging. I'm coming. Just 2 of them. And if I find any young ones, it would be great. There we go. Perfect. Okay. There's more flowers there. They're white. I can't even see it. There you go. Those are beautiful flowers. There's so many lovely flowers inside the forest. There's a close-up. It's a very beautiful flower. You see that? It's very beautiful. I dirtied my phone. I fell in the mud. There's a lot of African violets, guys. If you want to go out now, go search for them. But don't forget, the flower is very small. I just came for ferns. And I got a couple, which is enough. I leave nature to grow. And I got a couple of little fern heads. I can just stir fry in some butter. Yes, they're also edible. Before they open the leaves, they're all crunched up. I will show you. Well, I can't find it right now, but if you search online, you'll see in Google, there's so many of them. Anyways, my friends, that is all. I don't want to bore you to death. If you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my videos. And hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.